limeniliza sana, hili limeniumiza sana. Awamu hii nimeumia sana, Mungu wangu nisaidie.
Welcome wherever you're watching from. My name is Adrian Lang and I want to give you the importance of living life. At my back you can see all this is at the burial of a fellow Georgian. Imagine losing someone who maybe you put your hope that he can change your life in the future, that he can make you proud. And remember that life is a very essential thing to a human being, because the age celebrate of those in ICU cry for, and the financially unstable struggle to live better lives. My name is Adrian Lang, and once again I'd like to welcome my colleagues to give the experience we found here.
I'm joining you live from the late Sunday's home at Mariakani, being on 11th October 2025. We have come for a special send-off of our friend and our fellow student who has left a gap never to be filled. I am Damasio Alberto.
And I am Fabian Garama. Fellow students, relatives, teachers, and the whole St. George's community have gathered for his burial. In St. George's we say, a Georgian never dies.
And if he dies, he never rots. And if he rots, he never smells. And if he smells, he smells perfume.
Mendo alikuwa kama mzazi wake kule kwa maisha ya shule. Mendo alifundisha kuishi shule.
Sisi kama shule tumepoteza kiungo muhimu sana, si kwa masomo, michezo, sanaa na hata katika vitengo vingine. Sanda ameishi vizuri na wanafunzi wenzake, na kwa hakika alikuwa na malengo mazuri katika kuichezea timu ya kandanda ya shule yetu hadi East Africa.
It is with deep sorrow and heavy hearts that the entire St. George's High School fraternity mourns the sudden passing of one of our own, Sunday Macha Kisau. Last week but one, he complained of a severe headache and was granted permission to return home for treatment. Suddenly on Friday that October 2025, we received the devastating news from his parents that he had passed on. As St. George's High School, we extend our deepest condolences to his parents, siblings, relatives, friends, sponsors, and all who knew and loved him. Sunday proved to be a hard-working, disciplined, and a sociable student who related exceptionally well with both his peers and teachers. The kambi ya wanaume St. George's High School will forever remember Sunday's bright smile, respectful demeanor, and vibrant presence. His memory will live on in our hearts. Fare thee well, Sunday Macha Kisau.
Heshima na nidhamu ndo sitwataka. Heshima na nidhamu ndo sitwataka.
Ninauanza utunzi huku moyo waniuma, nikijaribu siwezi haya kuwasimulia. Ilikuwa si utani, kweli Sela ameenda, Mola mlaze pema Sunday Macha Kisau. Alikuwa mchapa kazi, wengi alisaidia, si darasani si uwanjani, kote alikuwa poa. Leo hii ni majonzi, akhera metangulia, Mola mlaze pema Sunday Macha Kisau.